doing a non-repair video for 2384 Chalybe Trail, Birmingham, Alabama. We're gonna work on this flat surface. We've got some damage right here, but this is like a 14 on 12 pitch, so it's kind of difficult. So we're gonna do the non-repair right here. Same shingle, facing the same slope, no difference. They're both the same pliable, everything's same. Roof's got hail damage and wind damage, but also some damage around boots. So we're gonna start. So I've scraped this loose here with our flat bar. So we're gonna break the bond here to get our shingle loose. We're gonna go a couple of layers up just to be sure to pull the nails out. All right, so we've got our shingle here. Got one loose up. Look, we just by gently scraping. See how we're scraping our shingle loose here. Going down through here, breaking that bond, cut into that shingle there. So also here we've got some damage. Let's see if we can pop this guy out. We're gonna so again, we've got it loose. We're just gonna try to break this nails here out of. We're gonna get the nails out of the nail strip to pull this one out to check it out. And we've got to change this one out because we've got a tear in that. So nails. Again, I'm trying to keep it less than 30%. But I'm having to lift a little bit to get back in here to see where our nail is. So I'm just trying to pull the nail straight out, trying to be gentle. So we got that one out by using a couple tools, a flat bar, flat paint scraper. All right, gentle. We're gonna take the shingle out. Say if we were gonna change a boot or if we were gonna do another repair, these are some things we're gonna run into. We're gonna run into some tearing of the shingle on the end here, near the tabs. Also right here. But again, we've got, try to speed up a little bit. Put the nails. Again, just enough to slide them. All right, so I knew we need a knife. I'm gonna cut. So we got a different manufacturer shingle. We're gonna cut it down. All right, so putting our shingle back in place here. All right. Okay. All right, shingles in place. All right, we've tore a spot here. We've tore a spot right here, and we've also tore one here. So now we've got to repair 2 more layers of shingles up to the flashing here. Essentially, this is non-repairable. I'm also not lifting it very much, using, just enough to get the nail in, 25–30%. So we're we're gonna go here. We're gonna put a nail there in the nail strip. We're gonna come back one on the end. All right. And all right, so we've got this new shingle in. We've got 2 other damaged shingles here we've got to replace. We've also got some nail strips that have torn underneath. I can put nails back in this, but this nail strip has torn, so it's losing the, you know, the strength of it, of the ability, as well as above here. This one's bonded, but you can't see. You can feel that the nails have pulled out. The nails have pulled out of your second layer above doing the repair. So this is a non-repairable shingle. It's brittle and very old, hard to bend. So that's it.